Sorry that I haven't brought any more nuts. I hope you've still got the ones I brought this morning. Little squirrels. Elined, my beloved willow. The sister willows. Forgive me for disturbing you when you're tired and trying to sleep. And Oak, who hasn't gone to sleep yet. His brother Oak. I've come to you to ask a favour. I've come to ask it of all of you. For my friend Annie and her husband Roger. Wind's taking my breath away. Please send them strength and healing. They're going through a difficult time, and they need the oak's strength and the gentle love of the willows. And squirrels, although they are positive and cheerful people, courageous in the face of difficulty, I think your playfulness and happiness would also help. So I came to ask you to send them all those things, and if it's permitted, I'll take one of these dead leaves so I can lay it on my altar as a reminder that they're looked after by you. Is this acceptable? That leaf is waving, and I feel like I'm supposed to take it, so I'll take this one. Thank you very much. Oh, pigeon. Oh, what could be better? The pigeon has just flown into that willow. Bless you, little messenger. Thank you. If I may lean on you for a moment, Elined. Write this. Annie and Roger. Not the best writing in the world, perhaps. And you can't read it because it's all gone blurry, but it's there. Thank you, my beloved. Thank you, all my beautiful trees. I won't forget this.